Check out the baby. This button here, yeah?
Yeah, that one there, yeah. That one. Look at move, you little bastard.
We should throw a shape through it. Throw some shapes.
Fucking printer, not a raver.
I don't know. We can get that thing playing techno very soon.
Techno movement.
Techno prisoners.
It's going down. It's fucking slowly going down.
Hey.
Hey.
Now if I set the thing to sod off
Hang on.
to the right when it stops.
No, it's still not finished arming.
Okay. Now if I set it to go X over here.
Yeah. You go, yeah.
And I'll do it again now. Technically, if we press that again, that should basically
It should
hit
cap
the
at the end.
Oh.
Fucking hell, that is a bit close. I did set that a bit close, didn't
Yes, you did. So that's it. It moves. It works. It is good. We like. Oh.